This video shows the unboxing and setup of the Xtreme Shell Containment System. The Xtreme Shell is a capture, diversion, containment system designed to fully enclose a leaking flange and divert the leak to a secondary containment storage unit. This unit is equipped with a 10-gallon containment barrel, a top shell with 6 quick connect fasteners, and a bottom shell with both a debris screen and a drain hole with a push-to-connect fitting. The containment barrel and Xtreme Shell Containment System connect to a 1/2-inch drain hose. When you receive your kit for a Class 150 2-inch pipe, open the box and discard the top packing foam. Then remove the containment barrel from the shipping box. To access the contents stored inside the barrel, pull back the lever on the lock ring to open the barrel lid. Inside the containment barrel, you will find the Xtreme Shell Containment System, a layer of packing foam which can be discarded, and a 16-foot drain hose. After removing the contents from inside the barrel, place the lid on the barrel and secure the lid using the lock ring. The lid contains a pressure relief vent as well as a hose fill featuring a push-to-connect fitting. If you ordered our optional remote monitoring system, your lid will be configured with a center hole fitting to accommodate the device. To set up the system, first decide on a good location for the containment barrel, somewhere out of the way of normal foot traffic. Place the top and bottom shells over the leaking flange and tighten each of the quick connect fasteners to securely attach the Xtreme Shell Containment System to the pipe. Next, slide the drain hose into the push-to-connect fitting found on the bottom shell. Run the hose to the barrel and cut the hose to the length that you need. Finally, slide the end of the hose firmly into the push-to-connect fitting found on the barrel lid. Your system is now ready to use. If you ordered a remote monitoring system, the unit will be pre-programmed for your location. The monitor will send notifications to your smartphone with accurate leak detection to reduce on-site visits. For instructions on how to use the device and to set up smartphone notifications, check out our installation video below. Call Andax today if you have any questions regarding the installation or operation of your Xtreme Shell Containment System.